Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to register song copyright. First, understand that copyrighting your music provides legal protection, giving you exclusive rights to reproduce and distribute your work. Begin by gathering all necessary details, such as the song title, creation date, and names of all authors. Ensure your musical composition and any sound recordings are finalized and ready for the application process. This preparation is key for a smooth submission. Next, you'll need to create an account on the official Copyright Office website. This is where you'll manage your application. Carefully select the appropriate application type. For music, this often involves choosing between a musical work, a sound recording, or both. Then, upload your digital files, which should include your musical composition, like sheet music or lyrics, and any sound recordings. Double-check all uploads for accuracy. Before final submission, meticulously review every detail of your application. Ensure all names, titles, and dates are accurate to avoid delays. The filing fee is usually around $65 for a single work, but it can vary, so confirm the current amount. Once everything is correct and the fee is paid, you can officially submit your application. You will receive a confirmation of your submission. After submission, the Copyright Office will process your application. You can typically expect to receive your official certificate of registration within several months, though processing times can vary. Keep an eye on your application status through your online account for updates. This certificate is your proof of copyright. And speaking of lasting quality, check out the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks, known for their lifetime warranty, plus other great deals. Don't miss out on those offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.